The components required for this experiment are Node MCU board, DHT11 sensor, soil moisture sensor, connecting cable and connecting wires. Now log into ThingSpeak.com. Then click on this icon. Enter the email address and then click on the next button. Now enter the password and click on sign in. Now click new channel. Here enter the channel name. I am giving the name as Soil Moisture, Temperature and Humidity Monitor. Then we need to create 3 fields. The first one is for soil moisture. The second one is for temperature. Click this checkbox and the field will enable. And the third one is for humidity. Now click Save Channel. Now here 3 charts are added. So we can also add the gauge widgets. So click this Add widget and click on this gauge. Click Next and here enter the gauge name. The first one is soil moisture and that is field 1. And then click Create. Then click Add widgets, click gauge and give the name as temperature. And this temperature is field 2. And then click on Create button and then click Add widget again and the final one humidity. Enter the name as humidity and select the field as field 3 and then click Create button. Now we can drag and arrange the widgets. Soil moisture first one. So here click this edit button and give the title. And click Save. And second one is temperature. Field 2, here also we can edit and give the name. We can also give the minimum and maximum value. Then click Save. And the third one, humidity. Here also we can give the minimum and maximum value. Now the setup is completed. Now go to this API keys, copy this right API key and paste in our program. So this is our program. So here we need to replace this API key. And then enter the Wi-Fi username and Wi-Fi password. And in the program, so in ThingSpeak, we gave the field 1 as soil moisture, field 2 as temperature and field 3 as humidity. So that is based on our code. Here also we gave the field 1 as soil moisture value. So it is reading from the sensor and field 2 as temperature, which is T variable, and field 3 as humidity. So in case if you want to change the field names, so you need to change the code also. For example, if you want field 1 as temperature and field 2 as humidity and field 3 as soil moisture, so here we need to replace this value. Now we can upload the program to the Node MCU board. For that, select the board from Tools, Board, ESP8266 and Node MCU 1.0 and then select the port. Now click this arrow button and upload the program to the Node MCU board. Now the program is uploaded and we can check the output.